Yeah, so my name's Winston. I work in a bank, so I'm a personal banker, and I just open accounts and do loans and credit cards and stuff like that.
Amazing. And tell me how today's been. How's the week been?
The week's been really amazing. I've learned so much about deal sourcing, also about properties, how to sell a deal, how to package a deal. Yeah, so I've picked up some really useful golden nuggets.
Amazing. Any in particular?
So I think something that I've just found that's really important is just how to analyze the deal. So to know whether a deal is a good deal or not a good deal, and just ways of how to find them, how to utilize Rightmove as well. So that's been very, very useful.
Amazing. Tell me about Samuel. Tell me about this.
Samuel, what I love about Samuel is you can tell that he really wants his students to do well. I definitely feel that he's genuine. He really does care. Obviously, he's really knowledgeable. Everyone in the team's just been so friendly and accommodating and helpful. So yeah, really, really loving the week.
Amazing. And to anyone who's thinking about getting involved, coming on down, what would you say to them?
What I would say is there is the £1 crash course that I know that he does all over the UK. So to get a feel of what Samuel's doing and to get an idea to see if it's something for you, spend the pound, spend a day with Samuel, see if that's something that is something that you want to do. If you do, then just follow and take the next steps. Also, check him out on YouTube as well. But he's very knowledgeable. And I personally feel that if you was to take that step and become part of the academy, that you wouldn't regret it.